upon the cross against the heels of the night. They nailed the man. And while they speared his breast, they made him drink the wine. He bore the pains alone. Alone! But in the hollow darkness, saw sweet Mary's face after in grief below. Tears filled their eyes, but love chastened the tragic beauty of her face, which neither death nor sorrow could erase.